next is slope point form. Now I'm assuming that a line is passing through point x1 y1. Let me take this as point A, okay, and it has slope m. Then equation of this line, okay, can be written as y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to m. Since it is passing through this point x1 y1, it will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to m, which further can be written as y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, or we can even write this as y equals to y1 plus m times x minus x1. Now suppose it is passing through origin. Suppose this line is passing through origin. Okay, so line is passing through origin, okay, with slope m. Now since it is passing through origin, our point A, that is x1 y1, is nothing but 0, 0. Yes. So this point is 0, 0, is x-axis, y-axis. Right? So equation can be written as y minus 0 upon x minus 0 equals to m, or we can write it as y equals to m times x. This is the equation of a line which is passing through origin with slope m. Next is 2-point form. Now in this case, what is the difference between slope point form and 2-point form? In slope point form, we already know 1 point and slope of the line. Now we have to use 2-point form if we know only 2 points, like a line which is passing through some 2 points, and suppose we don't know slope of that particular line. Now assume that a line is passing through points A, that is x1 y1, and B, that is x2 y2. Now since we don't know slope, one thing we can just find slope and use the same equation, right? Or another way is we can use slope formula and find it simultaneously. Find the equation of a line simultaneously. So it will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Now instead of m, instead of this m, we are going to use formula of slope. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So again, what we can do is we can first simplify this, get the slope and find the equation, or we can directly use this. Suppose we are directly using this, it can be written as y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Further, we can write this as y equals to y1 plus y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, next is slope intercept form. Now assume that we have a line which is intersecting at point C on y-axis. Suppose we have a line which is intersecting at this point C. Okay, this is your x-axis and y-axis, x dash y. So we have a line and which is intersecting at point C on y-axis. Now what will be coordinate of this point? It will be 0, c. Right? So x1 is 0, y1 is c. Now we have to find equation of this line. So let a line with slope m have y-intercept at C. So we know that slope of this line is m and it is intersecting at point C on y-axis. The coordinate of this point is 0, c. Since it is intersecting on y-axis, this is your origin. So all the x points on this line will be 0. We have to find equation of this line. It is same. Your x1 is 0, y1 is c. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m. So this can be written as y minus c, x minus 0 equals to m. You can write this as y minus c equals to mx, or y equals to c plus mx, or mx plus c. So mx plus c. Next is double intercept form. Double intercept form. In this case, we don't know what is the slope, but what we know is this line is intersecting at 2 points, x-axis as well as on y-axis. Now assume that this is point A and this is point B. Okay, so let A be the x-intercept and B be the y-intercept. Okay, so this coordinate of this point is a comma 0 and coordinate of this point is 0 comma b. Using this, we have to find equation of a line. The equation of a line is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y minus y1, I am marking this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So y minus y1, x minus x1, okay, and y2 is b minus y1, x2 is 0 minus x1 is a. So this can be written as y upon x minus a, b upon minus a. I'll just cross multiply, so this will be minus a times y, which is equals to bx minus b times a. Suppose I am taking this the other side, so it can be written as bx plus ay minus ba equals to 0, or we can even write this as bx plus ay equals to be. Okay, this is bx. I am taking this ay other side, so it will become plus, and this is minus ba. This minus ba I am taking other side, so it will be plus ba. Now I am dividing throughout by ab or b. So this will be x bx upon ab plus ay upon ab equals to ba upon ab. So this will get cancelled, this a will get cancelled, this bb will get cancelled. So what we are getting here is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. So this is our equation for double intercept form. Now for example, suppose we have a line, okay, which is intersecting on 2, 0 and suppose 0, 3. We need to find equation of this line. Now we don't have to calculate all these things. What we can do is we can just take this equation, substitute and get the equation of a line. So what is our equation? Is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. Now this is your a comma 0, this is your 0 comma b. So a is 2, b is 3. So equation of a line is x upon 2 plus y upon 3, which is equals to 1.